everybody, welcome. So today, now I made this before for my kids. This is a 3-ingredient peanut butter cookie, very simple, very easy. Most peanut butter cookies need butter, flour, sugar, very simple. Oats, oat powder, peanut butter, and honey. We're gonna do this. Let's go. So first you're gonna need 2 cups. Now I'm doubling this recipe. I think first I use like a cup of oats. Now I'm doubling it because I can easily like store some up. Kids like to eat, so you always gonna have some on hand. So I have some flour here, oat flour. And I will have a link or something how to make that. And next I will have some peanut butter. So we're gonna put it in here. And this is like almost 2 cups of peanut butter. Like I said, I'm doubling the recipe, so we're gonna put that in. Now I'm gonna do honey. You can do maple syrup as well. I use both, but I have honey on hand, so I'm using honey. It's only about a half a cup, something like that. So we're gonna put this in and we're gonna mix till it forms a dough. So I am mixing it, and as you can see, so y'all can see, it's going to start to form. The more I mix, it's going to get thicker, so you have like a dough to where you can form little balls. You press it out, put it in the oven, so we can do that. And let's continue to do that. So as you can see, it's already forming. See that? So very simple. So this is really great. Sometimes people don't want a lot of sugar. You want to be dealing with the flour, the butter, the extra sugar all day. You just want something quick and simple. But this is something you can still eat and not have to worry about. Remember, small steps equal big change. So this can be still like a small step. Maybe you like sweets, or maybe you like cookies, but you're trying to get something that may be a little bit more healthier, or a better option. So still decreasing some of the grease is still a small step. So these are really simple and easy. And you can add raisins to them if you wanted to. You can add other little add-ins, so you can always be creative. So we're going to put these in little balls, of course, and press them out, and we're going to put them in the oven. So we'll let you see that process. So very simple, very easy, very great idea for anybody who wants something super quick, but still budget friendly as well. So here are the balls that I rolled up for my peanut butter cookies, and we're going to just press it like so. You just kind of press it down, something like this. So once you do all these, you will pop in the oven 350 for like 12 minutes and enjoy.